How to replace the MXM graphics card. Before you begin, remove the top cover, 2.5-inch storage drive assembly, and GPU fan. Removal. Remove the two 4mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the MXM graphics card to the system board. Lift the left edge of the MXM graphics card and at an angle, pull gently to remove it from the slot on the system board. Replacement. Align the notch in the MXM graphics card with the key in the slot on the system board. At an angle, gently insert the MXM graphics card into its slot on the system board. Replace the two 4mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the MXM graphics card to the system board.